Are people still saying Huawei phones are Google-less in the big 2026? I think they've been living under a rock. This is the Huawei Mate 80 Pro, making its highly anticipated global return in the smartphone market. After testing it out ourselves, we'd say it's definitely not missing out. It has a nice blend of hardware and software, offering peak performance and durability with seemingly more reliable software experience than ever. Here's what it looks like using a Huawei phone today, with a little bit of spice. This is just the tip of the iceberg, and I must say, it's pretty much the same software experience you'd get from other smartphones out there. While reliability isn't all about hardware, having a top-tier software experience is also just as important. As you have seen earlier, we get plenty of app selections with no hassle installation, and best of all, safe and secure to use. Let's talk more about it. Roll that intro. Imagine this. We just got the new Huawei Mate 80 Pro, and what's the first thing we usually do? Of course, we download apps. Open up App Gallery, and the first thing we notice is it has that familiar UI, so you won't have a hard time navigating. Of course, we already did the installation part, so let's jump right into it. Here, we're able to find and install all the Google apps we can think of. YouTube, Gmail, Google Maps, and Google's suite of productivity apps like Docs, Slides, Sheets, and Google Drive. Next, we can't skip the essential apps that actually matter to our day-to-day use. Banking apps like BDO, BPI, and Gcash are here, as well as social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. And for other stuff that also matter for entertainment, transportation, and shopping, there's Netflix, Angkas, Grab, and Shopee, all of which work flawlessly on the Huawei Mate 80 Pro. Care to install some AI tools to boost productivity? Well, we're glad to report that Google Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude AI, and a bunch more are now also available in the Huawei App Gallery. Best of all, the Huawei Mate 80 Pro also features AI Smart Control, which allows us to simply double tap the power button to instantly open our preferred AI companion, or any app for that matter. Now, you might be wondering, what about games? See for yourself. We've already played a couple of matches in Mobile Legends and grinded in Wuthering Waves, which is a graphic-intensive game, by the way. Fortunately, we didn't encounter any issues whatsoever, and during our gaming sessions, the phone consistently provided smooth gameplay. Not only that, we were able to play for hours, and the phone still had plenty of juice to run through the rest of the day. In fact, in our PCMark battery life test, the phone lasted 21 hours and 3 minutes, and after the test, it had 20% battery remaining, so it could go on for hours more. And if battery runs low, the phone supports 100-watt Huawei Supercharge, which can refill the battery from 0 to 100% in less than an hour. Having fully optimized apps running on the Huawei Mate 80 Pro has been really great. There's no doubt about it. Well, that's just one part of the overall experience. App security and even after-sales support go hand in hand in delivering the reliability we want from a Huawei phone of this caliber. Huawei is no stranger to this. Perhaps we could set ourselves as prime examples coming from experience. We have not encountered any issues that might compromise our user data. Nothing. But despite everything Huawei has built around its app gallery as safety measures, it's always a good practice to pause whenever you come across an app that's unfamiliar to you. The same can be said for other devices, so a bit of skepticism actually pays off. Now, talking about after-sales support, unlike other smartphone brands in the Philippines, Huawei might just be one, if not the only brand with an extensive list of actual service centers nationwide. That means we have reassurance that whatever happens to our Huawei device, we won't find it difficult to get it officially repaired, like with unauthorized repair shops. Trust us, it's way better to stick with official repairs. That said, I'm happy to report that Huawei is including some premium service offerings with every purchase of the Huawei Mate 80 Pro. This includes a free 1-year subscription to Huawei Care Plus, which covers one-time accidental damage, There's also a free screen protector and a free one-time battery replacement that will run for 3 years from the date of purchase. Huawei online support is also up and running 24/7, so if you encounter any issues with your Huawei device, you can easily reach them through Facebook Messenger and official channels here on screen. Wrapping this video up, we should probably give credit where credit is due. Huawei's app gallery on its own has really come a long way. It's not perfect, but as it keeps improving by the day, that's enough reassurance that this Huawei phone will last and remain reliable for a long time, which says a lot about their commitment to bringing quality smartphones that just work, so that we, the consumers, can discover more apps with the Huawei app gallery and their products in general. What do you guys think of the Huawei app gallery in 2026? What about the Huawei Mate 80 Pro? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, found it informative or educational, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this was the Huawei app gallery in 2026, the Huawei Mate 80 Pro, Miguel T, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!